A beautiful summer's day, just right for a trip on the subway in Manhattan. So, close the door, lock it up tight, down the steps, open the big front door and down the stoop onto the street. 2nd Avenue. Oh, there's a nice young couple. Hey, there's that fancy new building at Astor Place. Broadway now. Look at all those people. Down into the 8th Street station. Lit that metro car. Here's the train. On I go. That guy didn't move the whole time I was in the train. Subway's a great place for girl watching. Train pulls into a station, slows down, and speeds up out of the station into the darkness. Out into the sunlight again. This is up in Manhattan now. Buildings, streets, buildings, streets, self-storage. Oh, another train goes by. Back underground. Above ground again. Here's the beautiful river that divides Manhattan from the Bronx. It's a lovely bridge, the Dyckman Street Bridge. End of the line for me. Oh, that guy, he must be taking a nap. Through the turnstile. Down the steps. Back onto the street. Now, I got a climb ahead of me, so I'm going and getting to the deli and getting the juice. Okay, now I start to climb the hill, up in the Bronx. Here's a construction site. I've been watching them build this tower over the last few weeks. Now I just start slogging, chunka, 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 walking up the hill. But then I come to the beautiful Brusk Park, a real oasis. So green, so bright. I often stop here before going up the steps just to see how beautiful it is. But then off I go. I got more steps to climb. Back onto the street. Ooh, watch out for that UPS truck. Some nannies watching kids in the park. An old man sitting on a bench. Now I've arrived at the school. Up more steps. Turn left. More steps. But when I get to the top, out that door, back into the sunlight. In this beautiful garden where I'm going to be playing music for kids all afternoon. Worth the trip.